The status quo is there for many years now. Land is blocked. Now Goa government should have pursued this matter in the Supreme Court, that this notification should be cancelled, and Goa government has got right to get it cancelled, and therefore please cancel it. On the contrary, now this is important. It appears that Goa government wants to have a settlement with these industrialists. I would like to know what sort of settlement. Who is going to get what? And the farmers or the people from whom the land was acquired have been consulted in this regard or not. The government has acquired, no doubt. But if you are going to have compromise, then those people should be consulted. You cannot say that only now government is the owner or those companies are the owner and therefore people have nothing to do. If compromise is going to be held, according to me, the people to whom the land originally belonged should be consulted.
हुनराक मारपाक खंय घर जाळचें न्ही. काँग्रेसीकूय गोंयांत ADMs आयिल्ले जाय.
Mr. Vinod Palekar has expressed concern and has sort of opposed for having EDMs in Goa. I share his concern, but my concern, my submission is that Goa being a tourist state, and since we are concerned with some income, we are required alternate income, EDMs are necessary. But when these festivals or musical festivals are held, police machinery should be very stringent and they should deal with things with iron hands. I am told that after this musical festival takes place, those who come from outside, they indulge in drugs. After that, perhaps when festival takes place, music program is there, nobody takes drugs. Maybe after that, over, throughout the night, that will be. So, but police can take state action. उंदरा मारपा खातीर घर लासचें न्ही हें म्हजें म्हणणें.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीश कुंकळेकार.